It's around 1614 BC, 4,000 years ago, on the island of Thera. The island of Thera had some initial warnings. There was an earthquake and there were two small volcanic eruptions. And then suddenly, out of nowhere, there was a massive eruption. We believe that the smoke and the magma went into the atmosphere 35 kilometres. Can you imagine that? Luckily, the people had some warning. They were able to evacuate, take all their precious items with them. Can you imagine what it was like taking everything with you, leaving behind your home and the life that you'd lived before? The people of Thera had to do this. The eruption, we believe, went on for maybe 3 to 4 days. Nobody really knows. The eruption caused what we know as a caldera, a volcanic hole in the middle of the ocean. Parts of the island were broken away. It must have been a devastating sight. When everything had settled, what we were left with was an island covered with volcanic ash and pumice. And this was able to cover up the town that we're going to be studying when we're doing this particular topic on Akrotiri. It preserved it like it was an ancient town of Pompeii. But the only difference was that now the people had gone and all we were left with was some pottery and the remains of the wonderful frescoes that we're going to be looking at. In 1967, Spiridon Marinatos decided that he would excavate this area, and he managed to discover this wonderful town. He worked there for many years, and unfortunately he died on the site, and his role was taken over by one of his co-workers, Christos Dumos. And the work that we're going to be doing on ancient Thera at the moment will really focus on the site of Akrotiri. Now, what were the people like that lived on this island? All that we have is really the archaeological evidence. We don't have any written evidence. But what we have is that we have a society that was really sophisticated. They had plumbing. They had sections of piping underneath their houses. And here we're looking at a society that is about 4,000 years old. In this particular town also, there were multi-storied houses. There were areas where tradespeople worked. We have evidence of the most beautiful frescoes, and we're going to be examining these frescoes as we look at the sources for this particular area. What we're going to also look at is the wonderful evidence of pottery as well. We even know that the people at the time had outdoor little portable barbecues. There was little ovens that they moved from place to place. The society of the ancient Therans is one that is really fascinating, and I hope that it's going to excite and involve you. So, welcome to the Society of the Ancient Therans.